so sad. Those move so quickly, and you just have to be ready to move.
Yeah, when that wind picks up, they take right off, that's for sure.
I'm tired of sad stories. How about some good news?
Cheer us up, Bob.
I will. You didn't like the warm temperatures? You're going to like today. Cooler and windy for today, and you'll like the temperature a lot better. Looking for a high right around 74 after hitting 89 yesterday. Some mountain showers for today and downright hot next week. That's not the good news. I don't particularly care for highs in the 90s or mid 90s, but that's what we're getting next week. Here's our advisories map. Talking some strong winds today, 25 to 35 sustained, gusts in the 45-50 mile per hour range in the Magic Valley and much of eastern Idaho. And windy here in Boise, not quite strong enough for a wind advisory, but windy nonetheless, especially later in the day. You'll see that on our computer model coming up here in just a bit. Got some rain moving across areas of Pendleton, northeastern Oregon, LeGrand and Baker City, probably getting in on that rain. Eventually, I think Cascade and McCall will see some heavier downpours, probably some light sprinkles up there already. Here's our computer model as we move through the time steps here. We'll pause it right around 7:30. John Day, Baker City, looking at some showers. Looks like one model favoring about 7:30, but this one has some showers around McCall about 9:45 this morning. Then you'll see it generally winding down. After that, it's going to be pretty quiet with most of the showers tracking well to the north. Speaking of the rain, kind of a cloudy, rainy morning in LeGrand, Oregon, and some of that rain heading for locations just to the north like McCall and Cascade, as I mentioned. But Boise is dry. We're at 61 degrees, winds at 10 miles per hour for this Friday, June the 24th. We're forecasting a high of 74, 10 degrees below normal, which is 84 for this Friday, June the 24th. Here's our low pressure system giving us this weather change with the cooler air associated with it. The cold front already moved through earlier this morning. It's now draped across south central Idaho. You can see it kind of right here. So a dry slot of air denoted by the black on the water vapor imagery moving in to the Boise area, but some showers tracking just to the north. You can see that showing up on radar here right to the north of Boise. So locations McCall northward most favored. Here's our other computer model. It has some showers possible in McCall right around 7:30 this morning, and they get real close to the Treasure Valley. That's why we have a slight chance in the forecast. And then after that, looking at clear skies right on through Saturday on into Sunday. And as far as rainfall accumulation, mainly confined to locations further to the north. The other story will be the winds. They'll start to pick up about 10 a.m. and still be pretty strong in the middle part of the day, winding down with the setting sun. So here's our forecast for today. Looking at sunny, cooler and windy for Twin Falls, high 74. Sun Valley, sunny, cooler and windy, but further to the north and to the west, McCall and Cascade, partly cloudy, 40% chance of rain this morning. Only a slight chance. Western in the valley, otherwise starting off partly cloudy, turning sunny later in the day. And Boise's high today, right around 74, starting off partly cloudy, sunny later in the day, but windy and cooler throughout the day. A little bit warmer on Saturday, then toasty warm Sunday through Thursday of next week. That's Look at Weather.